Hi guys, welcome to Tech Charger channel, and in this video I am going to unbox this Zinq Technologies Erupt headphone, and this is my first video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos, and I will be making more like the videos like this. Let us start unboxing this headphone. This is headphone we get first. Let us keep it inside. This is AUX cable, and this is cable for charging, and we get a bag inside this for carrying the headphone. And let us keep it inside. Coming to headphone is this headphone. So this can be extended like this, and this also can be extended like this. And here we can see SD card port, and here is AUX, and here a USB port, and this is the power button, and we can receive calls here, and power button, and let's on this. When we on this, we can see lights here, and lights in both sides, and this light blinking. That means it is trying to connect to devices. And this is mode. We can off light by pressing this. And this is volume positive button and volume negative button. And here it is microphone, and in the right side we don't have anything but any button. And if you want to on the light again, we can press and hold mode button for 3 seconds, and light will be automatically on.